Hi. This is Fix-It Guy, that fix anything fit onto you. How big or small, I will fix it all. And welcome to my channel. This is a video tutorial for creating a cartoon or a vector effect of an image, using a Photoshop for beginners. To keep updates to my Photoshop tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. This is the output of the project. How I come up to this. Please watch the entire video. First thing to do is follow my procedure and make your own creativity, and I'm sure you can make a good one. So let's fix it. We start with by choosing a picture that you want in this project. To ensure that we have a same output, please check your document size and resolution. To check this, go to Image, and select Image Size. Check the resolution, and width and height. Your resolution should be 300 in pixel per inch, and your width and height should be range between 2000 and 3000 in pixel. Since the filter is defined into image size and resolution. First, using the quick selection tool, cut the image into the background. Start selecting your image like this. When it's done, select the layer and copy the image that you selected. You can use the shortcut key, ctrl+C to copy and ctrl+P to paste. Next, create a solid color with your background by clicking Adjustment Layer. And copy the layer and name it. Naming the every layer is important to avoid confusing you while editing. Before we start, I will show you the usage of a pen tool, because this tool used mostly to this video and making cartoon effect. The pen tool will create paths and shapes which can be manipulated through the help of mouse and drag and drop. First, point the pen tool on the area where you start making a stroke or lines, and you will see a dot that represent where place you will start. Next, make another dot and you can see it create a lines. And when you hold the right click of the mouse, the lines will make a curves. From this you can draw a pixel onto your image and create a vector path. When you hold the Alt key, you can delete the line and change direction. In order to fill the stroke, connect all dots and right click, select the fill, and choose the color you want. Our first step is to make layer for a black line colors and name it. Used your model for guidelines. Second step is for skin color, make a layer and name it. Select a color that match closely to the image skin tone. Our third layer is for ears.
Used copy-paste method to save your time. When you duplicate the layer,
just right-click and select Flip Horizontal, and make some adjustment. You can also use the copy and paste method in making eyes and eyebrows. Used round shapes for the eyeball. And don't forget to make a layer. You can also use the copy and paste method in making eyes and eyebrows. Next layer is for lips. Select closely color for lips. Our sixth step is for making some texture in the image. Use the gray highlight effect in the image. To make easy the face shadowing, you can apply the filter, Artistic Cutout. Just go to Filter, and Filter Gallery, find the cutout effect to Artistic folder. Don't forget to duplicate the image and put the layer on the top. And just follow the shadow effect on the filter. In this case I use gray color, and change the blend mode to luminosity and make some adjustment. As you can see, it create a brownish color effect. Adjust the capacity to down and up the light and dark of the color. The next procedure is for the white highlight effects. The light effects gives more realistic effect to cartoon. Don't forget the lights effect on the lips and ears. That's great. We are done. And that's for today. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. This is Fix It Guy, that fix anything fit onto you. How big or small, I will fix it all.